Fad diets and weight loss scams promise quick results, but lasting weight loss comes from making sustainable lifestyle changes, like adopting a balanced diet and increasing daily physical activity. To effectively lose weight, set realistic goals. Aim to shed 1 to 2 pounds, 0.5 to 1 kilogram per week, which requires burning approximately 500 to 750 more calories than you consume each day. Starting with the goal of losing 5% of your current weight, such as 9 pounds, 4 kilograms, if you weigh 180 pounds, 82 kilograms, can significantly reduce the risk of chronic health issues like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Establish both action and outcome goals to guide your efforts. An action goal might be walk for 30 minutes every day, while an outcome goal could be lose 10 pounds, 4.5 kilograms. Action goals focus on the steps you need to take, while outcome goals represent the results you want to achieve. Losing weight naturally involves adopting a holistic approach that incorporates healthy habits into your daily routine. By making simple yet effective changes, you can achieve sustainable weight loss without relying on fad diets or harmful weight loss supplements. Here's a detailed guide on how to lose weight naturally using strategies such as starting your day with lemon water, incorporating apple cider vinegar, drinking green tea, exercising, eating a healthy diet, drinking plenty of water, and getting proper sleep. 1. Start your day with lemon water. Starting your day with lemon water is a refreshing and healthy habit that can support weight loss efforts. Benefits. Boosts metabolism. Lemon water can help kickstart your metabolism and aid in digestion. The vitamin C in lemons supports metabolic functions and enhances the body's ability to burn fat. Detoxification. Lemon water acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out toxins and reduce bloating. This detoxifying effect can contribute to a healthier digestive system and improved overall well-being. Appetite control. Drinking lemon water before meals can help you feel fuller, reducing the likelihood of overeating and snacking between meals. How to use. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water each morning. Drink it on an empty stomach to maximize its benefits. 2. Take apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a popular natural remedy known for its various health benefits, including weight loss support. Benefits. Appetite. Suppression. ACV can help curb appetite and reduce calorie intake. It promotes a feeling of fullness, which can help you consume fewer calories throughout the day. Blood sugar regulation. ACV helps regulate blood sugar levels, which can prevent spikes and crashes that lead to cravings and overeating. Improved digestion. ACV aids in digestion and helps the body break down food more efficiently, which can contribute to better weight management. How to use. Dilute 1-2 tablespoons of ACV in a glass of water and drink it before meals. This can help control appetite and improve digestion. Be cautious not to consume too much, as it can be harsh on the digestive system. 3. Drink green tea. Green tea is renowned for its numerous health benefits, including its potential to aid in weight loss. Benefits. Fat burning. Green tea contains catechins and caffeine, which can increase the rate at which your body burns fat. The combination of these compounds helps enhance fat oxidation and metabolism. Boosts energy. The caffeine in green tea provides a gentle energy boost, which can improve exercise performance and help you stay active throughout the day. Antioxidants. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation, supporting overall health and weight management. How to use. Drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily, preferably between meals. Opt for unsweetened green tea to avoid added calories and sugar. 4. Exercise regularly. Exercise is a cornerstone of any effective weight loss strategy. Regular physical activity helps burn calories, build muscle, and improve overall health. Benefits. Calorie burning. Engaging in cardiovascular exercises such as running, swimming, or cycling helps burn calories and contributes to weight loss. Strength training exercises build muscle, which can increase your resting metabolic rate. Improves metabolism. Exercise boosts your metabolism and enhances the body's ability to use energy efficiently, which can support weight loss and prevent weight gain. Mental well-being. Regular physical activity releases endorphins, which improve mood and reduce stress, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. How to use. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week, combined with muscle strengthening activities on 2 or more days a week. 5. Eat a healthy diet. A balanced diet is crucial for successful weight loss and overall health. Focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods that provide essential vitamins and minerals. Benefits: nutrient-rich foods. Eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats ensures that you receive the necessary nutrients for optimal health while managing weight. Reduced calorie intake. Healthy foods are often lower in calories and high in fiber, which helps keep you full and satisfied without excessive calorie consumption. Stable blood sugar levels. A balanced diet helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing cravings and preventing overeating. How to use. Plan your meals to include a mix of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive amounts of unhealthy fats. 6. Drink plenty of water. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining overall health and supporting weight loss. Benefits: increased satiety. Drinking water before meals can help you feel fuller and reduce the likelihood of overeating. It can also help reduce calorie intake by replacing high-calorie beverages. Metabolism boost. Staying hydrated supports metabolic processes and helps the body efficiently burn calories. Detoxification. Water aids in flushing out toxins and waste products from the body, which can improve digestion and overall health. How to use. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses, 64 ounces of water per day. Adjust your intake based on activity level, climate, and individual needs. 7. Get proper sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight and overall well-being. Benefits: hormone regulation. Sleep helps regulate hormones that control hunger and appetite, such as ghrelin and leptin. Poor sleep can disrupt these hormones, leading to increased hunger and cravings. Metabolism support. Quality sleep supports healthy metabolism and helps the body process and store nutrients effectively. Recovery and energy. Proper rest allows the body to recover from exercise and maintain energy levels, which supports consistent physical activity and weight management. How to use. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep routine, create a relaxing bedtime environment, and avoid screens before bed to improve sleep quality. Losing weight naturally involves incorporating a combination of healthy habits into your daily routine. By starting your day with lemon water, taking apple cider vinegar, drinking green tea, exercising regularly, eating a balanced diet, drinking plenty of water, and getting proper sleep, you can effectively manage your weight and promote overall well-being. Remember that consistency and patience are key to achieving and maintaining weight loss goals. Embrace these natural methods as part of a holistic approach to health, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, more balanced lifestyle.